Want to have easy access to your clipboard using the Samsung Galaxy Edge panel, but you're not sure how? I'm Kate, and in this video I will show you how. Now let's get started. From the settings menu, tap on display option, scroll down to the Edge panel and select Edge panel. To get it on, select panels, and now it is set to apps and people. So I want to have access to my clipboard. Go to clipboard, then select it. Then you can remove apps and people. That's where you have access to only your clipboard on the Edge panel. So now when you pull out the Edge panel, you have access to your clipboard. You can decide to clear or leave it like that. That's all it takes to have easy access to your clipboard using the Samsung Galaxy Edge panel. If you found this video helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. We put up helpful tips and tricks like this one every day. Thanks for watching.